Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your location on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. To own the location on your Facebook account, go to the settings, scroll down and find the apps, and here you can see apps again. Find for the Facebook app. Now here you can see permissions, and now here you can see location. If you own the location, it will simply able to your Facebook account to locate it. So this is how you can easily change your location on your Facebook account. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.